Hey guys, Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. Now you know we like to produce new things for customers here, things that they come to us with ideas and we exceed their expectations. Well, we've done it again. This customer has come to us wanting a rack on the front of his caravan to not just store things while he's travelling, but he also has e-scooters that he needs to store. Now a normal bike rack isn't going to hold an e-scooter. So what we've been able to produce is this here. So this rack, fully galvanised, we've been able to produce not only so they can store stuff and strap it down while they're travelling, but for their e-scooters, there's right in there, nice and secure, strap it down and away they go. Now what we've also been able to do by fitting this rack is not obstruct anything else on the drawbar. So we've still got his storage here for water tank or for a jerry can, and under here are his gas bottles. So he still has access to pull the cover off to get to the gas bottles. Now like I said, we love doing design work like this. I'm very proud of what we're able to achieve. If this is something that you want to do, whether it's this or something new that you want to challenge us with, please give us a call. Our number is 02 8544 8114. Visit our website, boldtcrc.com.au, or come and visit us at our Miranda showroom, which is Factory 1, 82 to 84, Bellingara Rd, Miranda. Have a good one.